Hey guys, and thanks for tuning in again. So today we're going to be looking at 10 ways to help you generate more leads from your website. So let's get started. Number 1, live web chat. Live web chat allows you to engage directly with customers on your website. You can generate more leads by offering quick and personalized responses to questions. Number 2, blog content. Good blog content can rank very highly on search engines. Therefore, it acts as a gateway to introduce new prospects to your website, products, and services. Number 3, downloadable content. Prospects will contact you as a direct result of longer form downloadable content if the content is knowledge-rich and valuable. This can also lead to more email signups and notifications. Number 4, online reviews. Customer reviews signal the popularity and quality of a product. Not only this, but it also shows the credibility of the company itself. Displaying online reviews helps to build trust between your website visitors and your brand, making them ultimately more likely to become qualified leads. Number 5, reduce form size. Long forms can discourage customers from following through on a call to action. Always remember, the shorter the form, the more inclined the customer will be to actually complete it. Number 6, self-sign-up areas. Give your prospects the opportunity to sign up and try your product or service without the need to speak to anyone beforehand. Not only does this increase the exposure of your product or service, but it also gives you an indication of how interested that prospect is. Number 7, calls to action. CTAs are fantastic at prompting customers to take the next step, whether that's to get in touch or to learn more. Changes in color or wording of CTAs can have a huge impact on their overall effectiveness, so it's important to experiment with these through testing on your website. Number 8, interviews. Inviting a prominent expert from your field to an interview can attract a wider audience to your website. By transcribing the interview, you can also generate more leads through valuable blog content. Number 9, webinars. Webinars allow you to demonstrate your knowledge and expertise in a semi-formal way to a wide audience of prospects. Hosting high-quality webinars can also help to position your brand as experts in the field. And last but not least, number 10 is tool creation. Creating tools allows you to capture your website visitors' data by providing value in return, ultimately drawing in more prospects to your page. Good examples of tools are HubSpot's Marketing Grader or CoSchedule's Headline Analyzer. So those are 10 quick-fire ways to help you generate more leads from your website. As ever, if this has been useful, don't forget to like, share, and comment below if you think I've left anything out. If you want more information on how Talkative can help you to generate more leads to your website, head over to talkative.uk and chat with one of our advisors. Speak to you soon.